Here's how to check iPhone 17 Pro Max live photos not working. So as you can see, this is a sample of live photo that I have. First is, for you to be able to see if it's going to work, click on the live button that you can see at the left or the upper right and make sure that it is on live. So as you can see, it is already working or it is now moving, but take note that this is on low. First is you can actually go ahead and edit it to bounce options where it will look like shot from a boomerang device. You can also do long exposure if you want to. You can also turn it off the live option that if you want. Now, if editing this on the gallery is still not working, the next thing that you can go ahead and do is go to the camera settings of your phone. Now from the camera settings of your phone, you will see there the live option. Make sure that it is turned on